Most people think these are just another pair of sunglasses, but by the end of this video, you might never look at smart glasses the same way again. This is the RayNeo Air 4 Pro, and it might be one of the most exciting pieces of wearable tech I've tested this year. There's something incredibly satisfying about opening a brand new piece of technology for the very first time. And here they are, the RayNeo Air 4 Pro. Honestly, they look even better in person than they do in the photos. The first thing you notice is just how lightweight and premium these feel. They honestly don't feel like traditional smart glasses. Take a closer look at the build quality. Every curve, every finish, and every detail feels incredibly refined. They're surprisingly light. And honestly, after just a few seconds, you almost forget you're even wearing them. Instead of staring at a tiny screen, it feels like you're looking at a massive private display floating right in front of you. The display feels bright, sharp, and incredibly immersive. After just a few minutes, it starts to feel surprisingly natural. It's the little details that stand out. The frame feels solid, the hinges move smoothly, and every part looks carefully engineered. The built-in speakers sound surprisingly clear for open-ear audio. They're great for videos and casual listening without completely blocking the world around you. Getting started is simple. Plug it into a compatible USB-C device, and within seconds you're ready to enjoy a huge private display. This is where these glasses really shine. It feels like having your own private theater without carrying a giant screen everywhere. Gaming feels incredibly immersive. The large private display makes it easy to stay focused without needing a traditional monitor. Whether you're working, studying, or traveling, having a large private display without carrying an extra monitor can be incredibly convenient. One of my favorite things is how easy these are to take anywhere. Just fold them, pack them, and you're ready to go. If I had to pick just one thing I love most, it's how naturally these fit into everyday life. After a while, you stop thinking about the glasses and simply enjoy the experience. These won't replace every screen you own, and they're not designed for everyone. But if you love portable entertainment, travel, or having a private display almost anywhere, they're seriously worth considering. Overall, the RayNeo Air 4 Pro delivers a premium experience. If you're looking for portable entertainment and a private display, this is definitely a product worth checking out. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe because we've got more incredible tech coming your way. I'll see you in the next one.